Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be working with the Griffin Paper Tricks Cut and Emboss folders. This is the idea sheet that comes with it. And it comes with 3 folders, a small, a medium, and a large. Inside of my folders, I do have the Plaid cardstock in this one, a text weight paper in this one, and another text weight paper in this one. I ran all 3 of these embossing folders through my Empress machine using the regular Plaid system. I remember she had said put some shims in with these embossing folders to protect your paper from the glue and from cracking. I did not do that on this one. So let's take a look and see what happened. So this one is a little stuck in there. Maybe the glue got to it. I'm gonna just pull it a bit. All right, it came out. This one has some glue stuck to it, but it came out just fine. And then this one, I'm gonna need my tool-in one probably to get that one out of there. And then that one. It all looks good. There's no cracking in the paper. It did cut through the paper. You can't really see it, but it cut straight through the paper. So I think those shims are probably useful. All right, so here's the next one. I'm gonna turn it sideways so that we can get the full view. Let's open it up. This one just fell right out and it looks fine. So both of those came out perfect. There's some cut, it did cut through some of these lines. It's hard to show you, but maybe if I just stick the tool in one, can you see how it just went straight through there? So it did cut through some of those lines. That's number 2, and embossing folder number 3. Some of it is stuck. This one, it seems to have gotten stuck on the glue. And you can see that the paper, a little bit of paper stayed in the die. So this was very helpful in not ruining my paper. And this one doesn't seem to want to come out. It's stuck on the glue. And you can see that, I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of glue here, and some of the paper got stuck, but that's okay because it's not anything that I needed. And then you can see that there's some paper there. So you do have to be careful of the glue. So here's what we have with all of our pieces cut completely out. I want to start with this one, and I'm going to keep the paper medallions to see if they're strong enough to hold the paper. that one, the things that I feel like I've learned for my next one are put them together first and put the tape on the back of it. I'm gonna try putting the tape on the back of it first. I don't know if I learned that, but I'm gonna do it. Here's our first one, all dried and ready to go. Looks pretty good. The paper is a little wet still. I think it still needs to dry a little bit. So if you don't want the warping of the paper on the top, then use a cardstock here, because that is a little wavy. Okay, now our cardstock piece. And because that second one went so well, I'm going to do that same method on the cardstock one. One more, this really tiny one. These are the 4 sizes that rosettes that the embossing folder makes. They are so stinking cute. This one, oh my gosh, never make them out of cardstock. So hard. Or tell me the technique so I can know it. Tell me all of your secrets, YouTube. And then, oh my gosh, this cute little baby one. So you can, you know, grab your card and design them all together and make fun designs and cute little shapes and things on there. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and make a card with these rosettes that we just cut out and put together. We got some things that I thought matched the color scheme of the rosettes that we made. And I got a cardstock from the Plaid cardstock set. I cut out one of the Fanciful Concentric cut and emboss dies in a purple glitter cardstock. I believe this cardstock is from Crafter's Companion. But this is not Anna Griffin. Everything else is. I got a sentiment that says, "You are simply the best." And some flowers from the Teacup cardstock, or Teacup set, and then a Flourish. And whatever medallions I don't use on this card, I'm gonna make a second card. I will put it on there. And place that on the center. All right, I'm gonna lift this up and stick this. Let's see what they look like. Let's just try a big one and a medium-sized one. Let's put this thing together. I'm gonna put this one up here, and I hope the glue will hold it. I think that's kind of dry, so I'm gonna use some of my flowers. I'm gonna take these. They have a sticker on the back. Part of it I'm gonna take off the sticky, and part of it I'm gonna leave on. And just set it like that. I have another one. I'm gonna do the same type of thing to it. So I'll take off the adhesive. And then stick that down here. We will put our rosette. Hopefully you guys are liking this card. We're designing it together on the fly with our new rosettes that we made with the rosette dies from Griffin. And should this just sit on the top up here like this? Want more flowers? All right, more flowers. And I'm going to, is this a sticker? This sentiment is a sticker. And so this is what we have, a little collage that we made with our flowers. And this goes in the center of our card. And here is our finished card. For our next card, I got out another card layer from the Plaid cardstock, and I cut out some of the 3D decorative layer dies, and this one had a center, and I gutted out the center, so you can cut out the center of these if you want to just have like a frame, like something like this. These flowers are from the Teacup card kit, On Your Birthday Sentiment, and our rosettes over here. Let's get started. Gonna pop this up with foam. Gonna place this down in the center of our card and glue this one on the top of that as a frame. Let's figure out where we want our rosettes on this one. Right now I'm liking just the one in the center. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. How would you put the rosettes on your card? Because I definitely would like more information about how other people would work with this. I guess I could put the on your birthday down here instead, but I really like it right here. So I'm gonna pile it on. This is gonna be a thick one, you guys. On your birthday. So cute. I already put on the sentiment. I haven't even got the flowers on. I don't know where they're gonna go anyway, so one down here. Okay. All right. And we're just gonna have the same and the same. Let's put this flat. I want these other rosettes on here because I made them. I want them. And the baby one is so cute. How can I leave it off? Okay, I'm gonna put this baby one right here. This is too cute. Okay, these rosettes make everything pretty. This is not sticking. So you might need to glue whatever your sentiment is down because it doesn't want to stick. So I'm gonna have to put this other rosette on here just because that one's on there. Don't have a choice. I have to now. Okay, that one can go on there. So stinking cute. Oh my gosh, do we want more flowers? Yes. Yes, we do. This one looks really pretty there. Ooh, what's this one? I'm not using that one. And one on the other side. All right, so I'm not gonna use that one. And this is our second card front done with the rosettes. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. Here's our 2 cards. Hope you like them. Well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you are enjoying these types of videos. And I can't wait to make another one. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.